If you're noticing a musty smell inside your car, lower airflow through your ventilation system, or a haze on the inside of your windows, then these are pretty good signs it's probably time for a cabin air filter change. All the air that comes in when your windows are closed must first pass through your cabin air filter, also known as a pollen filter. This filter traps and holds all the contaminants and debris before they get inside the passenger compartment. Everything from dust, dirt, pollen, road soot, exhaust fumes, leaves, twigs and major allergens are trapped here before entering the cabin. When you're running your air conditioner in summer, you're not taking fresh, hot air from outside the car and then cooling it. You're actually recirculating the cooler air that's already inside. The same goes when running your heater in winter. So not only does it filter the air coming from outside the vehicle, but it also cleans and filters the air that is already circulating inside your car. Your cabin air filter has to be replaced anywhere from every couple of years to some models requiring a change as frequently as every 6 months. This is also dependent on your particular driving conditions. If you drive on unsealed roads, deal with heavy traffic or park under trees with any frequency, your cabin filter may clog up with dirt and debris quicker than the service schedule for your vehicle. When your local Rapid Tune store replaces your dirty cabin air filter, you will immediately notice improvements in both driving comfort and the efficiency of your defrosting, heating and cooling systems.